Good morning, everyone. I'm Shitish Kumar. I'm here to ask some random questions and questions related to sustainable development goals from a chatbot called Sam, created by me. So, here you can see clap to start. So, let's clap to start him. In three, two, and one.
Hello, sir. I'm Sam. I'm ready to assist you, sir.
What are sustainable development goals?
The Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, are a set of 17 goals that were adopted by the United Nations in 2015. The SDGs are a blueprint for a better and more sustainable future for all. They cover a wide range of topics, including poverty, hunger, health, education, gender equality, climate change, and peace and justice. The SDGs are an ambitious and important goal for the world, and I am committed to doing my part to help achieve them.
What are climate actions?
Climate action refers to the actions taken to mitigate or adapt to climate change. Climate action can involve reducing greenhouse gas emissions, planting trees to offset carbon dioxide levels, or developing new technologies to adapt to a changing climate.
How much plastic waste is recycled in India?
I'm sorry, but I don't have the answer to that question.
What is meant by plastic waste?
Plastic waste is any plastic that is no longer wanted or needed. It can come from many different sources, including packaging, food wrappers, bottles, and straws. Plastic waste is a major environmental problem, as it can take hundreds or even thousands of years to break down.
What is rebound effect?
The rebound effect is the tendency for people to increase their consumption of a good or service after the price of that good or service has decreased. The rebound effect is often seen as a countervailing force to the laws of supply and demand, and can lead to increased prices for goods and services over time.
Now let's try some random questions in Hindi, okay? So let's clap to start.
Hello, sir. I'm Sam. I'm ready to assist you, sir.
तुम्हें किसने बनाया सैम?
I was created by KK. That's you.
तुम्हारी मदर टंग क्या है?
I am created with the help of Python, and the mother tongue of Python is C.
केमिकल बॉन्ड क्या होता है?
A chemical bond is a force of attraction between atoms that allows them to share electrons. This force is what holds atoms together to form molecules.
तुम कहाँ रहते हो?
I live in your heart.
मार्क ज़करबर्ग कौन है?
Mark Zuckerberg is the co-founder and CEO of Facebook. He is also a philanthropist and a computer programmer.
कंप्यूटर प्रोग्रामर कौन होता है?
A computer programmer is someone who writes code to create software programs.
क्या तुम हिंदी बोल सकते हो?
I'm sorry, I don't know how to speak Hindi.